Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So for today's video, we're going to teach you how to have a live wallpaper on your PC, specifically if you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11. So let's get right into the video. So as we can see here, we are currently in Microsoft Store. So search for either you could use Lively Wallpaper Metro, or this wallpaper engine right here, X Live Wallpaper. These are absolutely for free. You can get them for free, and at the same time, it only takes around 10 to 15 minutes to download. So if you have the spare time, you can definitely download this app right here, X Live Wallpaper. Take note, however, that upon downloading X Live Wallpaper, if you click it, it'll prompt this message. That is because you need to first set up your computer in order for you to be able to use this application. So for example, here, what you want to do is press on the Windows button and then R, and then type in system properties performance.exe. So simply select OK. And then for this one, just check. If it's already checked, uncheck this. Animate controls and elements inside Windows, then click Apply, and then check it again, click Apply, and then OK. If you right click it, it should now be able to be set as your wallpaper. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.